Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best clothes drying racks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Whitmor Folding White Spacemaker Drying Rack. The Whitmor Folder White Spacemaker Drying Rack can provide the clothes drying rack for energy-saving and gentle drying so your clothes last longer and can be made of durable yet lightweight steel that is easy to move from room to room. The white, waterproof, epoxy coating and very mildew resistant to be measured approximately. The brand is very high quality and very perfect to be used at home. Moving on at number 4, we have the Exilot Foldable Portable Space-Saving Clothes Drying Rack, High-Capacity Stainless Steel Laundry Drying Rack. The Exilot Foldable Portable Space-Saving the Clothes Drying Rack and superior-grade stainless steel pipe and durable fastener for long-lasting performance. The high-capacity stainless steel laundry drying rack for good and comfortable for your use. The high capacity holds up to 36 garments and 110 lbs weight and very easy to assemble, requires no tools as well. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Foldable Clothes Drying Laundry Rack. The foldable clothes drying is very perfect when you live in an apartment or condo. It is very good to buy it and provide it when you have a small space to use it. The best recommended of this presentation is the clothes drying rack for energy savings and gentle drying so your clothes last longer. The made accordion design folds flat for compact storages and very protects against rust and mildew. At number 2, we have the Honey Can Do Heavy Duty Gullwing Drying Rack, White Metal. This brand is made for multifunctional the days of the working about where you will dry your shirts and pants, taves and even shoes are over, the equipped with the racks that you can drape pant and perfect piece to add to your laundry room or anywhere that have a small space that is okay for use it. The satisfaction of this product is committed to providing consumers with the absolute best price and value on our entire line of the product. And finally at number 1, we have the Honey Can Do Large Folding Drying Rack, Silver, White. The Honey Folding Drying Rack is a large drying rack and 24 liner that can fit in the drying area that you have a small space for use in well, to save money and energy costs by drying clothes on a drying rack and constructed from steel with a rust-resistant white fittings. The clothes drying is durable, folded flat for compact and easy for storage of this item. The product can serve around 32-pound total weight capacity as well. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.